Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the pocket on this trouser. You can call it a cargo pocket or a patch pocket. So let's quickly get to work. So yeah, this is what I am going to use to form my pocket. I've cut it out already and I've even gone ahead to iron it to get the midpoint of this cutout. And what I have on the table is just like 14 inches by 11. That's the width and the length of what I have on my table. So here, let's check together and be sure. So here I have 14.5 as the width of my pocket. 14.5, then the length is 11 inches. Here, this is me going ahead to check to be sure I have my 11.5 and 14.5 on both sides. So here I have this is going to form this under that is giving us baggy look. So here I am using 4 inches as the width of my strip. 4 inches. Then the length is going to be like 41 or 43. This is going to be attached to the cutout pockets. If you're confused on how to get this measurement, please kindly go back to your cutout pocket piece. Check the measurement there and add like 5 inches. This is going to form my pocket flap. So here, wash where I'm going to attach this to at the end of the day is going to be attached this way. So if you're taking your measurement, please kindly go back to your pocket like this and take the measurement round this way where I am placing this piece. Then after that, don't forget to add 5 inches to the cutout. So from the midpoint of my pocket piece, here, that's the midpoint, I am going to mark out 2 inches on both sides. This is what I'm going to use to form my pleat on the pocket at the end of the day. This is me marking out the midpoints to make the whole video clearer for you guys. So here, my 2 inches on this side, then the other 2 on the other side. Then I'm just going ahead to pick that 2 inches towards the midpoint of my pockets. So here, 2 inches from this side, I'm just going ahead to use my pin to secure it. So here I am securing my pleat. Once this is done, I'm going ahead to pick the other 2 inches from the other side towards the midpoint. So here, this is me forming a kissing pleat on the wrong side of my pocket. If kissing pleat is what you're really looking for on your own pocket, then you should be doing this on the good side of your fabric. But what I am looking for is a box pleat. So I am going to do this on the wrong side of my fabric. When I turn, you see the box pleat on the good side. So here, this is what I have at the end of the day. So after turning, this is the look I really want for my pocket. So here, this is it. The next thing I'm going to do now is just for me to get to my ironing table and get this ironed flat. So let's go there. Here I am ironing this because I really need to have a flat pleat around there. So here I am ironing this. Is this flat enough? No, I need to do more. So I am going to iron this really flat. Hope my video is not too fast. If it is, please kindly drop a comment and I am going to work on that. I just feel this is nothing serious and we shouldn't be wasting time on it. So here I've gone ahead to stitch my pleats down. Sorry, my camera didn't record as at the time I was doing this. So here, this is the upper side of my pockets. So I've just stitched down my 0.5, then I stitched down the pleats at the lower part just for me to keep my pleats together. So here, this is it. The next thing I'll be doing is to bring out this cutout strip here, this here, and I am going to attach it this way On a very good day, I'm supposed to be doing good side to good side, but I am doing good side to wrong side because I want you to see the result of what I will be doing at the end of the day. So here I'm taking it over to my machine. This is how I place it. Wrong side of my strip on the good side of my cutout pocket. Then I am sewing my 0.5. When you get to this part, please kindly notch your 0.5 inside to enable you sew smoothly. Then here I am sewing the down part. When I get to this edge again, I'll stop, then notch, then I'll turn to the other side. If you don't do this notching, trust me, you're not going to enjoy the sewing. It's going to frustrate you. So please kindly notch while you're sewing. So here I am done attaching this. Then here, this is what it should look like. I'm going ahead to turn it to the good side, then trim out the excess fabric inside here. This will help me relax my pocket. So here, when I am done trimming, I trim out the excess at the upper part to the 5 inches I asked you to add, then is what I just trimmed out. So here, this is me turning my pocket to the good side. Everything is coming together. So I think I am going to stitch this down. I'm going to top stitch, not even think. So here I am top stitching my pockets to keep it flat and neat for me. So here I am stitching it round. This will help me keep the whole pockets together. So here it's just normal top stitching, nothing serious here. I don't know if you're seeing it very well, but I'm just doing a normal top stitching. Just relax and see the result. From there, I am sure you're going to understand better. So I am done doing that, and this is what my pocket looks like. Everything is coming together, right? Okay, so this is it. I'm just going ahead to bring this piece of fabric that I'm going to attach the pocket. If you're using trouser, kindly grab your trouser at this point. Place your pocket where you want it to be placed. And go ahead and fold in your 0.5 because that's the same allowance, 0.5 inch. Then this is going to be top stitch on your trouser, your skirt, or whatever you want to attach this pocket to. So here I am going to sew around my 0.5. Hope you were seeing the way I folded my 0.5 inch inside. Okay, it's nothing serious. Just try it out and you see how simple and easy it is. So here, this is me arranging my 0.5 and making sure I have everything right before I start smashing my machine, because it is very, very important for me to get it right. Okay, so I am just going ahead to sew that 0.5 all round. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Like I said earlier, I just feel the whole thing is nothing serious to spend much time on. So I just decided to for this whole thing, fast forward the whole thing to make it quick and easy for us all to understand. Here I am done with that side. Here I need to bring it out, arrange it very well so that I don't make mistake in my top stitching. And as you can see, my pocket is coming together and is sitting pretty on the Ankara that I want to attach it to. So at this point, I think I need pin to put everything, to keep everything in place before I start stitching the rest of it. So here I've done that. I'm just going ahead to my machine and get it stitched to this fabric here. Oh, this machine, can you just calm down for me to do this work? Okay, this place you need to be careful while you're sewing it because it's not going to be easy. That's the down part or the lower part. So here, oh, this machine again. I am done stitching this to my fabric, my trouser, my skirts, my dress. I am done stitching this to my own piece of fabric. So here, this is what my pocket looks like. You can see it's sitting pretty and clean. So I am going ahead to fold this side to side and stitch it down. You can do just an inch, do 2 inches, you know, but here I'm going to do as much as 2.5 because that is the design I want. You can just do 0.5 safe. It depends on what you want at the side of this pocket. So here I am making sure to have everything together before stitching. This is me arranging it. Please take your time to arrange this part very well. So this is me arranging it and putting them in order before I start mashing my machine. This thread there, just behave yourself. Okay, so here we are. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. So I'll turn to the other side too and repeat the same process of folding the two sides together and stitching it down to my fabric or my garments. So here, it's okay, it's okay. And here, this is what my pocket looks like, and trust me, this is looking very clean and neat. Even though this is not on the same fabric, you know, Ankara is not as thick as the fabric I use, the jean fabric I use for the pocket. So but even at that, the whole thing is looking clean and sitting pretty on this. So can you see? This is what that 4 inches cutout is doing for us at the lower and the side parts. So here, and that's my pleat sitting pretty on my pocket. So here, the next thing now is to bring my flap and attach to it. This is the flap. This is how it will look like at the end of the day. This is me checking the measurement, and what I have here is like 9 inches. It's not even like, it's 9 inches. So when you fold it into two, you should be able to have 4 inches or 4.5. So yeah, this is me turning it. I'm going to sew this side, then turn it to the good side before bringing it to join to my pockets. So let me get my machine again. I've done that too behind the camera, and this is what it looks like. I just sew the side and I am turning it to the good side. Now this is me turning it to the good side. What I just did is just to sew the side of 0.5 0.5. Hope you understand. Please, if you don't, kindly drop a comment and I will explain better. So this is what it looks like after turning to the good side. So here I need to iron it flat again, no, because it needs to be really flat before bringing it to join to my pocket. That is done already behind the camera again. This is me cleaning my pocket and bringing that cutout flap and iron flap. This is how I'm going to attach it. That is stitching 0.5 inch down. Then I'll take it to my machine and continue my sewing. This is what it will look like at the end of the day. The video is really fast because I really don't want to waste time. I hope you like and enjoy it. So this is it. This is what your flap should look like on your pockets. You only need to stitch the inside 0.5 inch down. Then you see 0.5 inch, and that is all. You flip it over. If you want to style it, go ahead and top stitch the edges and your pocket should come out looking like this. Please, I'll continue to say this again. If you don't understand any part of this tutorial, kindly drop a comment and I am going to attend to your question. Please, I really want this video to be short and easy for us to understand, and I think it's a bit too fast. So please, I'll be in the comment section to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching. This is the result of our pocket. I hope you enjoyed it. I promise to make my next video as thank you for watching.